for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Even if you're a sibling or twin, we are all of us different outside and in.
Dylan's real tall, Grace Blue Jones is much lower. It's not her fault, she just grows a bit slower.
Emily's locks are long and fair. Keane's just lost under all of that hair.
Amy Ditchfield's quite loud, Molly's so quiet. And what about Jack Sheehy? He's a real riot.
Thomas Henshaw's so quick, he's bright and he's breezy. Tash is real slow, takes it nice and easy.
Amelia daydreams, sometimes you can't reach her. Sophie Smith is so confident, she could be the teacher.
Chyla's running, Grace Quinn's real sporty. Sophia's an angel, she's never naughty. Millie is a giggler, Sophie Hawthorne is too. Alex fitted in perfectly despite being new.
Katie is thoughtful, never steps out of line. Jack Caldwell's a brain box, and the next Einstein.
William Margent's a cutie and Lewis always smiles. The girls simply swoon for miles and miles.
Lily is shy, Katie is not. And what about Alicia? She talks a lot.
William Smith is reserved, mature, refined. Sophie Atkinson, she's out of her mind.
Hannah's quite timid, she blushes a lot. Riley runs around, gets tied up in knots.
Ferb is funny, since the teacher's irate. Elliot from down south, how'd you do, mate?
Olivia's a jet setter, likes to work on a tan. Lacey's a big Billie Eilish fan.
Isaac is a tennis ace, Amy is too. Whilst footy is Thomas wants his favourite thing to do.
You're not me and I'm not you. I don't look the way you do.
If the difference between us just wasn't there, there'd be nothing to get and nothing to share.
So let's celebrate the way that we grew, what makes me me and what makes you you. True is all you've got to be, for all around to love and see. Hi everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for helping me be the person I am today. And to all the Year 6s, good luck with high school. Miss you all at Moorfield, take care, goodbye for now.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck everyone at your new school, and to those who are going to Way Deacon, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Thanks to all my teachers for their support. Good luck to everyone at high school.
Hi everyone, hope you have a great summer holidays. Hope you do really good in high school. Bye.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Close to the ones here today, close to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you.
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain,
When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same.
Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name.
'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, yeah.
But everything will be alright. Go raise your voice and say, hey.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
lights lighting up the dark.
I'll carry these torches for ya, let you know I'll never drop. Yeah.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Go and raise your voice and say, hey.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all those memories of everything we've been through. Close to the ones here today, close to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. Here's to the one. Memories bring back you.
The last few months have been so strange, but you still believed. Next stop is high school, where you're going to be great. But before you leave your year 6 class, I just wanted to say, all your teachers are so proud. You've worked